This is a screen printing plus hot stamping machine for perfume bottle printing. The bottles loaded automatically. This machine with camera registration and the plasma. Here is the first color printing. After the printing, bottle will be dried by LED UV immediately. Now it's the second color printing, then dried by LED UV only. This third station is hot stamping. After hot stamping, printed bottles unloading automatically. She has a printed bottle with screen printing and hot stamping.